ECLASS is the language of the machine to machine for the future.
The world is going digital, so we have to describe our products and services in a digital format.
ECLASS is one standard which helps to master the complexity of the digitization.
So we need to understand what is the offering from an Asian market, from the US market, from a Polish market, not being able speaking all the local languages. So ECLASS is bringing information together.
You think about smart manufacturing or Industry 4.0 as it's called here in Germany, or if you think of smart buildings, all these processes have to be described digitally, and ECLASS can do that.
With ECLASS, companies have the possibility or the opportunity to run their business more efficient.
ECLASS is an enabler to integrate with value-adding partners, with suppliers, with clients, with engineering partners.
ECLASS is fitting to many needs of the market. It complies also with IEC regulations, which is very important for us. And ECLASS is also a flexible standard.
This is exactly what we as a manufacturer, what we need and what our clients need.
Machine-to-machine communication or Industry 4.0 scenarios will be only possible with ECLASS, at least in Europe or probably in the world.